making pizza tonight dough. Let me show you how. Measure 500 grams of bread flour. Add 15 grams of sea salt and whisk. Next, add 2 grams of active dry yeast. And whisk again. 335 grams of room temperature water. Mix until you get a shaggy dough. Dump it out. Time to knead. Knead it for 2 or 3 minutes. Work out all those dry clumps. After a couple of minutes of kneading, we're going to place that dough back in the bowl. Let that dough rest for 15 minutes to fully hydrate. After 15 minutes, remove the dough from the bowl. Now we're going to knead that dough again for a couple of minutes. Let's really work that gluten and build some structure. Now we're going to cover the dough again and let it rest for 2 to 4 hours. Next, we're going to divide this dough into 3 or 4 equal portions. You can use a scale or just eyeball it here. Now we're shaping. This is the folding method. All done in your hands, no fancy equipment needed. Grab the sides and fold the dough into the center. Rotate and repeat until you have a nice taut ball. Alternatively, try the counterfold. Fold, create some tension, and then pinch it. Turn and repeat until you have a nice taut ball. Keep going till all your balls are folded. We're building tension, creating structure. Now we cover them and let them rest for 3 hours. We call this the final proof. Let that gluten relax. 3 hours later, it's time to make pizza.